Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking show. Just kidding. Kind of kidding, but if this turns out well, there may be more of these videos. So today, ladies and gentlemen, or anyone who doesn't identify as a lady or gentleman, we will be making fruit leather. I've never made fruit leather before, but I've eaten it, if that counts. The one I usually get is from Target, and apparently the pre-made ones have like a lot of like sugar and stuff. So I'm gonna make one that is just fruit and vegetables. I don't know how this is gonna turn out because I don't really like fruits or vegetables. And the other ones taste good because of the sugar. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, I'm making 3 different flavors of fruit leather, fruit and vegetable leather, whatever you want to call it. So the first one I'm going to be making is plum, which I've never had before, pineapple, which I don't like, and kale, which I also don't like. This should go well. I'm going to put my hair back because I'm not just making this for me, so don't want any hairs in there. I guess I wouldn't want hairs even if I was making it just for me. Okay, first I'm going to wash my plums. One of them was like broken and leaked all over my bag. It's tragic. After I wash my plums, I'll tell you later, just kidding. I got all of these fruits and veggies from Whole Foods, and if you like to watch grocery hauls or any type of haul like that, then check this video out. Yeah, I did a haul of stuff. Okay, so I need a cutting board. Cutting board. What we're gonna do is cut the plums in half, pit them, and then put them into the pot to boil. It's kind of like an avocado, I guess, but like not an avocado, you know? I don't even know how to tell if these plums are like good. Literally never seen a plum before in my life except for when Emma Chamberlain eats them. So as I'm doing this, I forgot to mention that I'm not using a recipe. I found recipes and, you know, they just weren't what I wanted. So I figured I would wing it, which seemed like a good idea, but now I feel like I have too many plums and I'm just gonna make too much. I'm not entirely sure. I also don't know if I have to boil all of the other fruits like this or just the plums. I don't know. Do I boil kale? I really don't know. Based on the things that I did read when I was looking up the general way to make this, plums are juicy enough, and so I don't need that much water, just enough so that they don't burn. I feel like that's enough. Said to add a little bit of lemon juice to bring out the flavor of the plums. I just spilled lemon juice all over me and I have a cut on my hand, so that's awesome. Okay. Just like a mess right now. If you've never been to my house, which you probably haven't because I have like 2 friends, there's a fun fact about my house that I like to show people because I'm proud of this purchase. This is the first trash can I've ever bought myself, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. So I literally have to say open can. And my trash can opens. I can also wave my hand over it, but I don't need it open right now. My plums sound like they're burning. I'm supposed to let that boil for 5 to 10 minutes. I guess I'll get everything else prepared. I wonder, it said to just do the plums by itself, but that was just to make like plum fruit leather. So I wonder if I can just put the pineapple chunks in there too so that they're like soft, right? I mean, they're gonna be mixed together anyway. Oh God, why is this so hard? It said prep time was like 20 minutes, but I really don't think that that's true. Here we are, like 20 minutes into it, just struggling. I just put 7 chunks because, you know, lucky number 7, right? You're gonna say this a lot during this video, but I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. This is probably gonna take a long time, and so I'm just gonna time lapse this, I guess. Yeah, I will be right back. Oh, I didn't wash it. Oh my gosh. Might have made a little bit too much, but we'll see. Oh, that smells so bad. That one's probably gonna be a little thicker, but we like her thick too. No, I'm just lazy and it's already late. It's already like 9 o'clock, and so if I have to wait 8 hours for this, that's 4 in the morning, and I'm gonna be awake anyway, but like, just seems ridiculous if you ask me. This one's pretty thick. Whatever, we're already here. Maybe we could turn up the temperature or something. Let's put them in the oven. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna time lapse 8 hours, so I don't know. I'll check back in with you all after the 8 hours are up. That's at 4 in the morning. Doing this for you. Not really, I'm doing it for me, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I'll check in with you. I'm gonna clean up. I really hope these are good, otherwise I just wasted so much fruit and like money on food, and it would be a tragedy. But I guess we'll know in 8 hours. Bye, see you then.
8 hours later.
Well, I just took this one out of the oven, and I think I made it a little bit too thin. It's like paper thin actually, and I can't really get it off the parchment paper, so hopefully the other one that I thought was gonna be too thick is actually right. Oh, I think I did it right. It's just like ripped in the middle.
20 minutes later.
Oh, that was loud. The ones I normally eat are more like jelly consistency, and the thin one is like a burnt consistency, kind of like paper. But this one, the thicker one, might have actually turned out pretty good. I don't know. Okay, well, I don't know that I'd say this is a fail, but there's a hole in the middle, so I messed something up. So if you can see, this one was like folded over. So rude. This one was like folded over on the edges, and so it didn't like harden, I guess. That's probably because of the pan I put it in. You're supposed to put it in this kind of pan, but I only had one. So I put it in like this one was like the higher edges. So lesson learned, don't do that. ASMR. No, but I don't think it's supposed to be making that noise. It's definitely not supposed to break like that. Okay, actually, this tastes almost exactly like the one that I buy from Target. That's really weird because these are like totally different ingredients. Okay. Yeah, personally, I would call this a success. Alright, let's try this one last time. It's 5:16 in the morning, so I want to go to bed. This is my last time. If this doesn't come out good, I'll cut the bad part off or something. I don't know. It cooked all the way through. There it is. In conclusion, I don't know what I'm doing. Winging it didn't work out. I wasted a lot of plums. Actually, I'll probably still eat these because they taste pretty good, but it's not what I wanted. This video is already going to be pretty long. I can tell because I went through 2 full camera batteries. What I think I'm going to do is go to sleep, do some research to figure out what I did wrong. I mean, I feel like it can only get better from here. Actually, it could have been a lot worse, but hopefully the next ones are better. I don't know. So I guess that concludes this. Looks good. I think I did a pretty good job, kind of. But it will get better because I'm gonna do research and read things. So stay tuned for that if you want to see how to make this healthy, delicious snack. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video, which probably won't be making this, but it's coming up. Yeah, see you all later. Why did I do that? Okay, whatever. I'll see you later. It's 5:30 in the morning. Bye.